Hi guys, welcome to another one of my videos. We have 6 of these units around our house, and one in our bedroom the other day suddenly started dripping water onto the floor. We called in the service guys. They came straight away and gave us a quote of $35 per unit. I balked at the price but eventually agreed. We only used 3 in the house. Here's a quick rundown of what they did. First thing was to remove the covers. Then disconnect all the electricity. Then the gas and the drain line. And finally remove it from the wall. A complete pressure wash outside, including the electrics. Climbed back up the ladder. Reconnect the gas lines connecting the compressor, sealing it with duct tape. Now connect a longer drain pipe to the outside. Reconnect the electricity. Then put the cover and the lid back on. A quick clean and the job is done. Rinse and repeat on the 2 upstairs. This is the one that was full of water. So at the end of it all, total cost $105 for the 3 units, total time taken 6 hours. Job done. Catch you in the next video. Bye for now.